Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the connections option. It's gonna be on the top. And once you find it, tap on it. And here find the option called the Wi-Fi, and once you find it, tap on it of course. And now make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and once it is, you can scroll down and you will see the category or the list called available networks, and this is basically the list of networks that are nearby your watch and your watch is able to connect to. Find the network you want to connect to, and once you find it, tap on it, and if it's protected by the password, you will need to enter the password for the network. So tap on password and tap on the password right here. Use the keyboard to type in the password. Come on. And once you do, you can tap on the check mark right here to confirm. So I'm gonna enter the password. And then we can tap on the check mark to confirm. Tap on connect. As you can see, now the network appeared right here below the on and off switch. And we have the name, and under the name we have the connected, which means that our watch is connected to this network. And you can also connect to more of them, and once you connect to them, they will appear on the list called saved networks, because you can be connected to the network, one network at the time, but you will have all of them saved. And if, let's say, this one loses connection, your watch will connect to the another one that is the highest signal quality connection. Basically it will be switching between them if some of them will stop working and stuff like that. And of course, once you're done adding the networks, you can press the back button, press and hold it actually. Oh no, we can press it, never mind, you can't hold it. So just press it a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.